We're back at you again with another shoe review. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's check out these.
We already did those, Dad.
These.
And those.
And
And
these.
those. We're doing a shoe review.
All right, let's get it. We got a whole shoe. Whoa. I got to make sure I don't show my thing, but here we go. All right, first off, what do you think these shoes are? Hold on, we got what coming in?
6's.
The 6's University Blue, okay.
13's.
The 13's purple and black.
And then we have new ones. I don't know what they're called.
You don't know what they're called? They up here.
I don't know.
The great ones. All right, here we go.
They
Which
just
one?
came out.
Which one you think is?
6's.
6's? All right, here we go. Oh boy. Uh-oh, what you got?
My 13's.
Let me get one.
They're pretty.
Ooh-wee.
Oh, I love them.
Ooh-wee. Tell them about this shoe, Kenzie.
Well, oh, my bad. Well, it's so beautiful.
Oh, I love that. Look at the back of it. Look at the back, how it's swirled in the back.
Where?
That's dope. The back of the shoe.
Oh, I like these. They're puffy. They're squishy.
Oh, that's dope. Tell them about your shoe. Go ahead, tell them.
Well, I like the purpleness.
Okay.
It's velvet.
Yes, it is velvet.
And I like this right here. It's like squishy. I don't know what that is.
I don't know. It is squishy. I didn't even feel it. It's the padding. This pad right
And then
here.
I like how right here it like cuts off to like this. Like,
Oh, that's dope.
Right there.
She's talking about this right here. You gotta talk a little louder.
And then I like the purple Jordan on it.
Where's it at? Oh,
At
yo.
right there.
Oh, right here.
And at the bottom, I like the little bubble Jordan.
I didn't know it had that on there. Oh, wow. Right here.
I love these a lot.
Check out the back. Look at the
The
back.
bottoms are dirty.
Look at the back. Look at the back.
Where? Oh. This thing you peel off unless you don't want to.
Yeah, but look at the back. You see that? How
Look,
cool it
it's
is?
like, look. Look, it
Oh, so it
goes
shows.
side to side.
It shows like the 23 and it glows. I don't know if y'all can see that.
I love
but
that.
That's pretty dang on cool. All right, what else you like about this shoe?
Honestly, I like everything about it.
So 1 to 10.
10. They're
Right.
pretty. These are my first purple shoes.
I swear she gave everything a 10, bro.
Cause they're nice.
Oh, these are not your first purple shoes. You got the mellows.
Oh, Mellows, second purple shoes. I got Mellows.
Mellow, I'm sorry, bro. Now tell them what else, man. 1 through 10 about this shoe.
10.
It's a durable shoe. God, dog, this thing is stiff. So she got to work these in. She's got a wide foot. They look kind of narrow for wide foot people, but I don't know. They might be a little wider. I don't know.
I think they look wider. Or normal.
So you give this a what again?
Oh, look, when you flip up, it goes that.
Oh, so
I don't
same.
know what number that is. I think that's like, I don't know.
She's talking about that right there.
Isn't
So
that
this is a must buy. Kenzie, this
must
retails.
buy right now.
This retails anywhere from $250 to about $350. StockX, Gold, eBay. But like I said, we get all our shoes from StockX. Everybody say, oh, it's fakes, whatever, man. Fakes can get through anywhere. But this is, I love the velvet. I love the color scheme. I rather have the blue and white ones. You know what I mean? Because I don't have much purple stuff like this kiddo does. But check it out, man. This shoe is dope. You got an outfit to wear with this?
It's either I have one purple shirt or all black.
So,
black and purple.
this is a must, man. Copy some of these. These joints is fire, bro. I love the back of it. That's pretty dope. Go and take them out, baby.
Make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so
You won't miss out on our future video. Until the next video, peace.